Welcome to Vridhivesh Finance. And yes, absolutely. Last week we have not given any sort of prediction, but rather than we did an analysis. Last week, whatever we have given about Tesla analysis, the achievement, apart from that, Nvidia's new target and Tesla's new target. Yes, absolutely. Because those sector, not in case of Nvidia, but in case of Tesla, has really influenced by political party in USA. We are from India. We are just sitting over here and just doing some sort of analysis as in case study. Okay, so this week we have bring it our new hot equity of year, or you can say hot equity of the week. Not week, because within week it will not achieve the target. So we are setting the target, and this equity everyone knows about it. It's from another name from the automobile sectors, and that is automotive in the sense vehicle sector. Basically, after Tesla we have recommending Ford Motors Com. So if we see the Ford Motors, this stock has literally, as you can consider as a penny stock, or this stock maybe give it to you good breakout in upcoming days around a year. So Ford Motors is a company is basically grassroots from American multinational automobile manufacturer. Headquarter is Dearborn, Michigan, United States. And even this is one of the oldest company, as we can see over here. This company has incorporated since June 16, 1903. It's quite more than 125 years around it I say. Okay, so Henry Ford. So if we see the chart of this whole Ford Motors, this hasn't given a good amount of returns in this whole journey, because they are the consistent performer in the market. Yes, they have given good amount of breakout in the year of 1999, and after that still that stock is underperforming, or who has invested in this stock has not get good returns or whatever. This is all about we have doing a chart analysis from the Google. Okay, we are not having any chart analysis extracted from Nasdaq. So right now we will do the chart analysis over here. And the Ford Motors Co, basically they sell automobiles and commercial vehicles under the Ford brand name. So Ford Motors, they are basically expanded their business in various countries. But if we see the stock is not performing well, as see, suppose somebody has invested 20 years even back to the stock, they might not get that much amount of return from this equity. But anyways, Vridhivesh Finance going to recommended you to short profit booking in this stock. And suppose this stock goes down by mistake, then it can goes down. You can buy it around $10 or less than 10 means $9.5. Okay, so USD as we have recommended, but it will not give it to you because the stock performance as Bridgewage Finance is expecting it probably go up trending one. Not so sure. Please study from your end and then invest into the stock. If you believe that the stock is having good amount of returns, in even if you earn on $10, $1 enough. I mean, suppose somebody buy in the bulk, so please study from your end. Okay. So Vridhvesh Finance expected this stock may gives a breakout in the whole of 2025. 2025 year, it can goes up to $17. This is Vriddhi Wage Finance expected from the Ford Motors stock. Okay, but before investing, our tagline is before investing, you should think 10 times before investing into the market on your own risk. Okay, even if you are buying penny stock, sometimes big company we can understand, but this Ford Motors, we can say the risk in this stock is around 40% is okay, and 60% you can book the profit above $11. 40% risk. In the sense, 40% it can goes down, 60% it can goes up. So in this kind of margin, Vriddhi Wage Finance is suggesting you, if you are interested and follow as our YouTube audience, you wanted to invest into this company, then absolutely the market cap of this company is not that much what other company is showing. So Ford Motors, we can say, like a consistent performer, means like some manufacturer do know doing a business since centuries and centuries and centuries, but they have like they sell their product at a cheaper level. They sell their product, they do not expect anything high from the market, and they don't deliver anything high to the market. Okay, so whatever the technology and innovations comes to the market, they build it. Once they see other has did a practiced, other has already implemented, then 100 out of one product they will launch it. So Ford Motors is from that sort of category who believe into sustain their business, as their chart says. Okay, sustainability is more. Yeah, in India there are so various automobile companies are like that, who is doing their business since last centuries and centuries. But basically whatever they do or whatever they invested into the market is like whenever they want, I mean to say, they have particular demands on supply or back to back process, that kind of things they do. So anyways, if you are interested, we are not going to be manufacturer or investor in Ford Motors. So right now Vriddhi Wage Finance say, if you are interested to invest in penny stock, you can consider this stock, Ford Motors. This is, we can say, mild stock rather than the hot stock. So we have another also category today, because last week I think we have not given anything into this. We have concentrated on political analysis the whole month, the whole study, whatever we have given delivered to the market. And this has like somebody has took a challenging thing and they have back to the business, back to the back to this support with the, after that there are so many analysis came to the picture that so many other countries has influenced the US politics, and they have won the own political party in that blah blah blah. So anyways, we also thought that we should start news analysis over doing the stock analysis, because stock analysis isn't not bring anything to the market, but news analysis nowadays has on the riding on the wheel. It's like every hour there is a new news, there is a new analysis, there is lot of things are going into the market. So Ford Motors is a penny stock where you can invest 2025. Have a great day. Happy Sunday in advance. I guess various people are doing celebrating their holiday. Bye bye.